Hi, I'm Captain Chris, and I'd like to talk to you about training. No, I'm not talking about the trains on your Christmas tree this year. I'm talking about training for the big adventure of your life, going cruising. So if you want to learn more about cruising, you can join us in Florida for our Cruising Fundamentals 101, or you can stick around for our Monday-Tuesday class, which is Introduction to Boat Systems. In the Boat Systems class, we'll talk about doing fuel filter changes for your diesel fuel filters. We'll also talk about oil changes. If you have to hire out an oil change on your boat, you're looking at $750 to over $1,000 to hire a mechanic to change the oil. We'll teach you how to do that yourself. Another thing to think about are wires. We've got 5 different color wires right here. And we've got the yellow, we've got the black, we've got the red, we've got the white, we've got the green. So we'll teach you what these different color wires mean aboard your boat. And that's important for both the captain and the crew, so you can learn what's going on aboard your boat and you can witness and report if there's any kind of problem. We'll show you how to start the generator, shift over from marina power to generator power. We'll show you how to manage the sanitary systems, the toilets on board your boat, the air conditioner system, the fuel system, the potable water or the domestic water, and then other things like zincs on your propeller shaft, and more important and often forgotten, zincs on the engine heat exchangers. If you've got any questions about this, email us or call me, Captain Chris, 772-205-1859. I'm standing by.